Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet without frozen fruit. Many people think you need pre-frozen fruit, but that is not the case. We will use fresh, ripe fruit, along with some sugar and water, to create a delightful, refreshing treat. This method is straightforward and yields a wonderfully smooth texture, perfect for any occasion. Let's get started on this simple, yet incredibly rewarding, culinary adventure. First, select your favorite fresh fruit, like ripe berries or juicy mangoes. Wash and peel it, then chop it into small pieces, about 1 inch in size. Next, we will prepare a simple syrup. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water in a small saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until all the sugar completely dissolves. Let the syrup cool down to room temperature before proceeding. Now, combine your chopped fresh fruit with the cooled simple syrup in a blender. Blend on high speed until the mixture is perfectly smooth and uniform. For an extra silky texture, strain the blended mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any remaining pulp or seeds. This step is crucial for a professional quality sorbet. Finally, transfer the sorbet base to a covered container and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, until it is very cold. Once your sorbet base is thoroughly chilled, it's time to freeze it. If you have an ice cream maker, pour the mixture in and churn it according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually for 20 to 30 minutes. If not, pour the base into a shallow pan and freeze it, stirring vigorously every 30 minutes for about 2 to 3 hours, until firm. Your delicious, homemade sorbet is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately or store it in an airtight container in the freezer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.